Do you want to know how you can log into your Bwin account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Bwin account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and then search for bwin.com or go to Bwin login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official login portal of Bwin, where you can write down your email ID or user ID in this box. After you write down your email or user ID in this box, go ahead and write down your password. Make sure to check your password by clicking on this eye icon after you write it. Then you can either click on Remember Me, or if you don't want to, just go ahead and click Login. This way you can easily log into your Bwin account. Make sure that your email and your password matches your account, and only then you can log into your account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.